slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up, guys? IRV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Stussy Air Force One lows from WowSneaker. These are UA or rep, so if you don't like that sort of stuff, you can click out the video right now. Just a little disclosure, I don't condone buying any of this stuff on the channel. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Just showing y'all what I get for what I pay, just so if for some reason you guys do decide to order off a site like this, you can kind of know what to expect. Now, with that being said, if you're new to the channel and you do like what you see, subscribe, turn on notifications, drop a like on the video, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at IRVStuffTV. Link is in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. These took about a week and a half to get here after being shipped with DHL. Came double boxed, bubble wrapped as well, so good packaging. Actually, no, they didn't come bubble wrapped, they just came double boxed. So yeah, box came in good condition nonetheless, so that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. Not going to take long in this video as always. So here's the website information. Website right there is wowsneaker.ru. WhatsApp is right there as well. Email and Instagram is at wowsneaker1. It's all the information you'll need if you do want to purchase from a site like this. There you go. Like I said, don't condone it. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. So let's put the shoes to the side real quick. This is a box that comes in, a little cream Nike box with the orange red swoosh. Air Force One low, Stussy, black. Size 12 is the biggest right now. Got the Stussy logo here and Nike here, Stussy on the back, and then just some Nike branding on the bottom of the box. So that's pretty much it. Inside the box, open it up, you just get some of this Stussy or Stussy, whatever, paper. And that's pretty much it. There's no StockX stuff included with this specific pair. If you guys do want that stuff, you can feel free to ask. But here are the shoes themselves. So the reason I got these shoes, they're just overall a very clean pair of shoes. Don't mind the bad focus here and there just because the product is all black, so sometimes my camera tends to do that. Should have the iPhone 12 Pro soon coming out, or I should have the iPhone 12 Pro soon. So camera quality should be improved with that. But yeah, so as you can see, pretty simple shoe. You got the embroidered swoosh. The whole shoe is canvas. You got the embroidered swoosh right there, double embroidery making the swoosh. Besides that, just a regular black Air Force One midsole. Nothing crazy that I can see. It just looks like a regular black Air Force One midsole and outsole, honestly. So nothing crazy on the bottom in terms of branding. Nothing. Quality of the shoe feels good though. No glue marks anywhere. The stitching's all good, so I'd like to see that. The laces are waxed, it feels like. They're slightly waxed, so I like that. You got some Stussy double S branding embroidered onto the front of the toe box as well. This side, same deal, double embroidered swoosh, regular plastic egglets at the end of the laces as well, no extra sets. Back of shoe, pretty dope looking little Stussy medallion, sorry. I thought all those like little dots on like the outside of it were gems in pictures, but no, it's just metal. So pretty dope though. You can see gray around the double S's and then just silver, and the rest of the tab is just embroidered. You can see there's just couple loose threads here and there, but that'll happen with time nonetheless. So inside the shoe, insole just says Nike Air in white on a black insole. Size tag stitched right there as well, size 12. And then inside the shoe, it's really nice. It's like all leather, so even the ankle area and surrounding is all this nice plush leather, so like to see that. Tongue of the shoe, Stussy, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, London, Paris. Got the Nike swoosh right there, so pretty dope touch on the tongue. Beyond that, it is just a regular black Air Force One, so that's what I like most about it. Pretty simple, you can wear it with basically anything, so definitely gonna be my beater from now here on out. So that's the right shoe. Left shoe, same deal. So you can check that out. Nice and clean. Little medallion at the back as well. Size tag. So these do fit true to size. I usually wear 12 or 13. These fit with the insole, but I'm probably gonna wear them without the insole just because it's comfier. Because I usually, like I said, I usually prefer to wear 13 if I can find them. But in this situation, I'll just take the insole out and wear them just fine. Typically, Air Force Ones tend to conform to your shoe or to your foot pretty well without an insole in it, so not really an issue. Toe box there for y'all with the double S. You can barely see it, but it's like that. It's kind of like a dark blue stitching, almost black, so it's barely noticeable when you have it on feet. But yeah, rest of the shoe, pretty simple. There you go. You see that little tongue tag. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Pretty simple shoe. I don't know if these are released yet already. Haven't really kept up with them. They weren't a super hype drop as far as I know. I just kind of saw them come up and I'm like, yeah, I like those. Super simple. They're not overhyped like Off-White is, and you can kind of pull them off with like any fit. That's the best thing because I wear a lot of black, so these go well a lot of stuff, so it's dope. With all that being said though, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. If you don't like what you see, you also know what to do. With that being said, catch y'all in the next video. Peace.